What's up, guys? Rob from All Things Wood Heat and Maple. I am making some extra fire starters for next year. I made a little tool to make it easier. This is going to be a quick overview on the tool that I made. Production process a little bit easier. Check it out. So this is the tool that I'm working on. I've got a piece of PVC pipe. It's probably about, I think it's a 1/2 inch. I'm going to take a hacksaw and I'm going to cut a slot in each side, which I already did. Real rough to this right here. Start by cutting 16 to 17 inch strips about 1 inch wide. You can make them bigger or smaller, all depends on what you want the final product to look like. Once you get all of your strips cut, it's very easy to go to the next step, and here's what you do. When I first made these, I rolled all of these strips out by hand. As you can see here, it was a pain in the butt, actually made my hands hurt. Now that we've got our handy dandy tool, all you have to do is take your cardboard, stick it in the slot you made with your hacksaw, and then you can rotate that PVC pipe to give you the nice round fire starter that we're looking for. Very easy. You can get really quick once you get your setup. Once you have it rounded out, get your staple gun. And you want to just put in a little 1/2 inch lip or so. That's actually going to be your wick. Another way is putting it right on the table. Again, if you've got arthritis or something, this makes it easy. All right, so now I got a big bucket of fire starters almost completed. I think I've got close to 190. So it's a good time for you guys to sit down with your iPhone while you're making these and watch some of my videos, how to make maple syrup, some of my wood cutting videos too, hint, hint. Next step, I'm gonna melt some old candles that I got at a thrift store for really cheap. We're gonna do that in a double boiler so we don't burn our wax. The wax is melted. I'm leaving it in the pot with the hot water so it stays nice and liquid. You've got your melted wax in there. You take one of your fire starters. I dip them halfway, give them a little shake, turn them over. And what you're going to see is most of this wax is going to stay on top. When you use this, you're going to light the bottom. It's going to catch onto the wax. The wax is going to melt. It's going to start seeping down inside the rest of the cardboard, and that's probably going to give you a good 10-minute burn, maybe more. At the end of the video, I've got 2 links for how you can present these and also how they burn. All right, guys and gals, here's the finished product. Right now, we've got about 122 fire starters. I banged those out pretty quick. The ones I did, if you take your time, which is kind of nice, you can see they're coated a little bit nicer. This was hotter wax. It soaked in well, shook it off. And then you've got some others that are a little bit different. They're all going to burn really well. All this wax up here is going to melt straight down into the rest of the fire starter. But I've got 122 here. Probably got about close to another 100 and change. I think I had counted 190 the other day. Plus I made a few extra for this video. In the comments, let me know if you're going to try this or if you make these already from the last videos that I put up. Let me know how you're doing with them, if you like them. It's been one heating season since I posted that video. It's got about 20,000 some odd views, which is great for my channel. But this little tool, if you like making these, is a game changer. As always, I hope this tip helps you guys out. All Things Wood Heat and Maple. We'll see you on the next one.